let's jump and clap together. Please and thank you sound so sweet in sunny, happy weather. You are kind, you are smart, compliments we share. Helping friends and smiling wide shows how much we care. Good evening, Mommy dear. Good evening, Daddy too. Nice to meet you, welcome here. We love saying to you, wave your hands and stomp your feet. Spin around so light, give a hug and softly say, good night, sleep tight.